Boys and their toys. I saw this DeWalt cable stapler at Home Depot and I just couldn't wait to use it. It's $229 and hopefully it'll save me a lot of time. I set up a little example here for you on this wall here with one 14-2, two strands of 14-2, got one strand of 14-3, one strand of 12-2, two strands of 12-2. On the back side here I have 12-3 and finally 10-3. 10-3 is the only cable that you cannot double stack. So just keep that in mind. The rest of it, you're good to go. Okay, so let's use this electric cable stapler here and let me show you how easy it is. So first of all, you want to keep your tool parallel to the stud. Get that wire right there in the center of it. And when that cable depresses this little center tab here, it'll allow the trigger to function, okay? So, two cables here of 14-2. Make sure you have them lined up one on top of the other. All right, that would have been much more of a hassle with the old hammer and staple method. All right, on to this other side here, some 14-3. Remember that you want to keep your Romex cable 1 inch away from the face of the stud here, this 1.5 inch side, just so you meet code requirements and no sheetrock screws go penetrating through there and hit the cable. Now on to the 12-2. This cable stapler, each clip holds 15 staples and it'll hold 2 clips. Of course the package says that it'll hold up to like 32 or 37 staples, but you know, really, who's breaking off a partial staple pack? So on to the 12-2 double stack. Once again, make sure you've got it all lined up and parallel with the stud. Pretty good so far. The cable staple here is about, you know, it's a teeny bit loose. So I would like my staples to be a little bit more tight to the cable itself. Obviously we don't want to pinch the cable, otherwise we could possibly damage the wire. So let's go ahead here to the 12-3. And the 10-3. Now how much time would that have taken you if you were doing the old hammer and staple method? Pick up yours today. It's available at Home Depot. Not even all Home Depots had it. I had to go to one of the stores locally. One of the other stores, you know, or two that I went to didn't have it. It's $229 and comes with a battery and a charger. Feel free to check it out, you know, online. It's the DCN701D1. Okay? Anyhow, it's been quite a bit of fun here, not having to sit there and hammer in the old-fashioned way. But unfortunately, it does not come with the 1-inch insulated cable staples. Those are available at your Home Depot for $10.98 plus tax, and there's 540 staples per box.